How to change currency on Steam. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So a lot of you guys were asking this question. So in today's video, we're gonna find out how we can change the currency in Steam. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Steam app on your PC and make sure that you are logged in to your account. And once you are inside, simply click on your account name in the top right corner of the Steam app. And from there, a drop down menu will appear. From there, you simply need to select account details. And from there, look for the option to update store country and simply click on it. So if you have moved to the different country, this option allows you to update your Steam wallet and change how to view the Steam store, which includes updating the currency. And once you are on the update store country page, click on contact Steam support for the further assistance. Once you have done that, you will be prompted to the interface like this. From there, you simply need to scroll down and select the contact Steam support again. Now, in the form, choose the country you want to switch to and type a message like, I want to change my currency to dollars, but you can choose any currency that you prefer. And once you have done that, simply click send to submit your request. And your help request will be sent to Steam support and you will see a confirmation that it has been submitted. And the Steam support will handle your request and guide you through any additional steps. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.